That was not bad.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Dude.
Were you behind me? You got me? Nice.
Yes. Let's go in this way. Yeah, I was thinking that too.
Breakout?
Now we're gonna go down to the. Wait. Which way? You want a lower line or the greenhorn? Yeah. Greenhorn or the jump line? Well, let's do the jump line.
Lower Dominion?
Yeah.
Oh, hard to get speed here though. Well, I thought it was there.
Oh, let's go in over here.
Huh? Oh, shit. You actually need a lot of speed to clear that. Huh?
Way down there. Let's go over there. We did the jump now, dude. Hey, but it's fucked up. I can't clear the last 3 jumps. It's too big for me now. The step up, step down. After the kicker, I can clear the first one, but then after nothing.
Same thing. I can't do any of those because one time I saw
over there because finally I was able to let it go after the kicker, doing it without breaking. You know, so I'm getting my confidence up.
How did you do it?
Huh?
Did you do all of them?
No, I can't do the step up. Somehow I always. Actually, the one before the step up, I didn't pick up the nose properly, so I was flying in the air like this. I was getting way too comfortable.
I saw a guy break his arm.
Who?
Right on the, like last year.
Oh,
No, 2 years ago actually. Okay. On the second one after the kicker.
Oh.
He was riding a hardtail.
Okay.
He just landed and the bone came right out.
Shit.
Yeah, that's why I would never attempt to do that.
But you know, you have to keep on moving.